Forgotten username recovery failed on Yahoo Finance Fix. If you've forgotten your Yahoo Finance username, don't panic. Most people try random guesses, but there is a structured way to recover it safely and quickly. Step 1. Go to the Yahoo login page and click Forgot Username. Enter the email address linked to your Yahoo Finance account. You'll receive an email containing your username or a secure link to reset it. Step 2. If you no longer have access to that email, gather verification information like your full name, linked phone number, or recent account activity. Yahoo support can use these details to verify your identity and help recover your username manually. Step 3. Check all email folders, including spam, promotions, and junk. Follow the recovery instructions exactly and avoid submitting multiple requests at the same time, which can delay the process. Step 4. If automated recovery doesn't work, contact Yahoo customer support directly. Provide all verification details and explain that the recovery attempt failed. Their team will securely guide you through regaining access to your account. After recovering your username, improve your account security. Enable two-factor authentication and store your login details safely in a password manager. This prevents future issues and keeps your Yahoo Finance data secure. By following these steps, you can regain access to Yahoo Finance quickly and continue tracking stocks, portfolios, and market news without interruption. Forgetting your username is just a temporary obstacle that can be fixed efficiently.